Okay, what is up everyone? Okay, so today I'm going to recommend products from Sephora, and so if you are interested, then keep on watching. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Nurul Jannah and I am a makeup enthusiast here in Singapore. Okay, so yeah, be sure to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell, okay? So for all the upcoming videos. Okay, so the first product that I recommend is from Natasha the Nona Biba palette. It has a white mirror, which is perfect for me. And this is how it looks like. It's mostly browns, you know, for your everyday use. And I am able to create this look just at least 3 shades from here. So let me show you. Okay, I actually created like those halo punya look, and I uses this shade. Okay lah, so at least like maybe 3-4 shades, but you get what I mean. I use a bit. Okay, so these 2 shades, I use this and this, and then using this shine to put it at the center. And then for that brow bone, I pakai this shade, matte shade right here, and done. And the reason why I recommended Natasha the Nona palette is because most of the product is not disappointing at all. It is so pigmented, it is buttery, so smooth. And okay, example like this shade that I used earlier. Oops, sorry. Okay, it is so smooth. It is so pretty. I really love it so much. And it is easy to blend as well. Okay, so we move on to the next product is the primer, and I would highly recommend Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. Yes, again, it is expensive, but whenever I use this product, my look will always look complete. It looks so pretty. You know, I really had the best makeup day every time I use this. Okay, so I've had this for quite a while. So it has that macam sparkly punya macam inside. Okay, so I'm gonna take a bit and put it mostly at the center of my face. It has just a slight fragrance to it, but nothing too overpowering. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the primer on. Okay, it has that significant glow, and then it helps to at least minimize my pores, and I actually really love like a good base to put on foundation and concealer next. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to recommend is from Fenty Beauty foundation. It's Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. It's not exactly a foundation, but you get what I mean. So it's in the shade 13. And I've had like both hydrating and matte foundation from Fenty before, and this is by far like the best use for everyday like usage. Okay, so I've used this before and I really love to use sponge in general. So okay, I usually put it at the back of my hand. It is not as watery or not as thick, okay, in terms of the formula wise. Okay, so if like let's say, you know, right now you don't really feel that way, but after like a few hours of using this product, you realize that you really have a good foundation day. So this is something that I realized with this foundation. Okay, so the next product that I just discovered and I really love it is from Rare Beauty mascara. This is definitely a deluxe size. Okay, I do have like the original size. So one thing about mascara is it has expiry date. I mean, out of all makeup products, mascara is like, okay, after 3 months I will definitely throw it away. So I'm going to use this one first. Okay, so I'm going to apply second layer or second coat to my lower lashes. Okay. And one thing about this mascara is that it helps to lengthen and volume your lashes. For lashes like mine, it is so difficult to like get it curled. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to recommend is from Hourglass. And okay, this is their holiday collection. So what it comes with a powder 2 blushes, 1 bronzer and 1 highlight. So I'm going to use all these on my face today. Okay, so first I'm going to set my face with this powder. But first, can you see that the foundation earlier doesn't leave any creases? And it is, I believe it is okay without any powder if you choose it to be that way. So I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to use this powder. Okay, and it is the Infinity powder, finishing powder, something like that. So I'm going to, normally I will just put it at the center first. Okay, do you realize dia macam, it has that macam glow to it, you know? After, I mean, it has that what, sparkles on this powder that makes it looks better, like even better than my previous like foundation. You get me? Okay, moving on. For blush, I'm going to mix these two together, and it is called Strobe Blush Vibrant Heat and Luminous Rose. So I'm going to mix these two together like so. Tap off the excess and then I'm going to apply. It is not too pigmented and I absolutely love this. Cantik, right? Okay, moving on to the next one. It's the bronzer. Okay, let me just confirm. Yeah, it's a glistening bronze light. And I'm going to bronze up my look. And I'm going to use this strobe powder, Supernatural Strobe Light. Okay. And put it at the high points of my cheeks. Wow. Nice. See? You know one thing about this hourglass, right? It feels very expensive, and after you use it, you look expensive, you know, without trying too hard. And to be honest, I really love it, you know. Hourglass came out with 2 types of holiday collection palette, face palette, and I believe mine is the medium to dark punya palette. So I love the design. It feels expensive. It makes you look expensive. I will definitely recommend this product. If like let's say you want to try anything from Hourglass, get the face palette, like the complete punya palette. Because one thing, it is expensive. So if you want to try, or if it's your taste, so definitely recommend this, okay? I know, I have already used my blusher and my highlight. But this next product is something that I would highly recommend. It is also recommended by other YouTubers, you know. So yeah, this is something worth your money. Okay, so it comes with 4 blusher and 1 highlight. I am pretty sure that this is not their latest collection, but the idea here, it is something that you can save, you know, if you ever want to get anything from Tarte. This is one of them. And I remember like one Tarte blush can cost you about $40, and for God knows how long it takes to clear just one blush. So this is perfect for you to try, you know, for me to try. But if like let's say you want to give to your friends, it is also nice. Okay, let me open up and let you see, okay? Okay, so it comes with Delight, Captivating, Exposed, Charmed and Fantasy. Okay, so I'm just going to try like one products from here and see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to try the highlight, which is the Fantasy. Okay, it is still not bad, you know. Okay, yes, this is brand new. And one thing about Tarte punya holiday collection is something that I would highly recommend. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I'm just going to take, like, this is not the right brush for it, but then I'm just going to apply it as a highlighter. You know, I have already used the highlighter on top, right? I just want to see. Okay, let's go. If it's like too blinding. Oh. Okay, I love it. Okay, I'm going to do swatches. And so this is how the highlight looks like, and it is in the shade Exposed. Okay, the last product that I'm going to recommend from Sephora is the Bite Beauty. It finally launches in Singapore. I know this product has been around in the US, but I am not able to get them. So when Sephora carries this brand, I totally get like the lipstick. One thing about Bite Beauty, it is completely like a clean brand, and I remember the ingredients are all food grade. So okay, it is something new to me, and I love the packaging. It is so velvety, so smooth. Okay, and I have already applied like lip balm earlier, so I'm going to use this, and this is in the shade Extra Sugar Buns. Okay, it looks like so. I'm gonna apply it on my lips. And so this is how the shade looks like. Okay, when I apply them, it applies so smoothly. Okay, it feels very velvety. Okay, and again, this is Extra Sugar Buns. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoy, and these are all the products that I will highly recommend from Sephora. Okay, and so also happy shopping. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.